Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title in today's video, I'll be doing a quick protective style. My hair is freshly washed and conditioned, and I've already done my L.O.C method. And for those of you who don't know what L.O.C stands for, it stands for leave-in, oil, and cream. Some of the products that I use: Garnier's Sleek and Shine Leave-In Conditioner, SHEA Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie, and Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I'm smoothing the hair out as I grab the next piece so that it doesn't tangle. My hair is pretty thick, so this method is a must. And as you can see, I do have a lot of product in my hair, but I do have a lot of hair. I'm going to twist this section to the very end, leaving no hair out, because once again, this is a protective style. Before moving on to the other side, I'm going to remove the excess product. I'm going to speed this part of the video up because I'm doing the exact same thing as I did on the other side. And excuse me for the ugly faces I'm making. It's just this is starting to get a bit messy. This would not be a protective style if I did not tuck away my ends, so I grabbed a few bobby pins to do so. I grabbed a comb to smooth my edges. I did not use any gel with this style because I was actually getting my hair braided on the next day. Hi ladies, I am back from yesterday. I'm going to take my scarf off so we can see how this hair is looking. All I did today was gel down the edges. I can't go to work looking too ratchet. You gotta lay those edges. So we're gonna take this down so we can see how it looks. Hopefully it's presentable. Like I said, I did nothing but leave. Oh, it looks pretty good actually. Okay. I just wanted to talk to you guys about my makeup. I do not wear lashes majority any of the time. All I do is use this Super Lash, Extra Super Lash Mascara by Rimmel London. I just put on a couple of coats and it looks like I have on false lashes for the most part, well, at least natural false lashes. But I just put on a couple of coats of that, and that makes it pop just a little bit. The eyelashes pop just a little bit. Nothing too dramatic. Start off with just a little bit. Something simple, something I thought that would go with this style. Once again, this is it. Simple, cute, and out of the way, and off the shoulders. That concludes the video for today. If you liked it, please hit that like button. Please share, please subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.